Hey everyone, Dan here, and this is my review for this Leviton plug replacement. This is pretty straightforward. You take this out and it opens up, and then you have your connections to replace your plug. This one lost its ground. There was wires sticking out, so I'm going to trim this up and rewire it. I've already taken the part out here, and it's pretty straightforward. So gonna do that, gonna get this set up, and then I will show you what it looks like in the end. Okay, so just wired this up here using my needle nose pliers, and you do have to cut your thread or your cord down a little bit to get around the little screw cavity there. And once you run your cable around your screws, just make sure they're tightly connected and that you don't have any extra wiring kind of spewing out across the connection sites. But the cool thing is this thing opens up really wide, so you can get everything installed properly. And then once you have that all set, you can clamp it down, and it does require you to kind of push that down into place. There's the hole, and then you get this kind of all lined up here, and you can clamp this down. Actually, let's make sure we get it all lined up there, and then at this point I can take my screwdriver or drill and slowly work that in there. And look at that, I just salvaged a old cord for a fraction of the price. So if you're able to get a pair of these and save an old cord, man, that makes all the difference in the world. I hope this video review helps you in your decision to picking up one of these. Now for the other end.